Hi, Chris McClone here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment Magazine. Just here again to talk about the FDSOA's 30th Annual Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. This year, it's in its 30th year. A lot has happened in fire apparatus in 30 years, and we're going to take a look at some of the most recent trends. There are a number of pre-conference workshops this year, including one on pump operations and testing. That's going to be an off-site workshop this year, one on apparatus specification writing, and we'll have our EVT testing done as well. We have a lot of keynotes this year. One is legal issues regarding fire apparatus design, another is on apparatus safety, and one on investigating apparatus crashes. Apparatus crashes are becoming more frequent, it seems, in recent years, and it really is something we need to get a handle on. As always, we will have our breakout sessions. This year, such topics include aerial maintenance, pump maintenance, apparatus equipment weight, and apparatus fluids. And as always, there are myriad opportunities to network with the folks who are building these rigs during various breakout sessions, during the tabletop exhibits. So make sure you're in Scottsdale, Arizona, January 15th through the 17th. www.fdsoa.org has more information, and we'll see you in Scottsdale.